What's going on, guys? My name is Psutka, and I'm curious. How do you choose what you spend your money on? Let's see how the little guys are doing in the Harry Potter closet. For those of you who are just tuning in, first-time visitors, I grow hot peppers. I have no idea what this one is. We'll see. Now, I'm pretty sure it's t-shirt weather outside. That's amazing. So for being an alcoholic, I really only spent my money on three things: alcohol, cigarettes, and bills, and in that order. I put out a video recently called Alcoholic versus Minimalist, and in that I kind of touch on this a little bit, but in a different direction. So if you want to see that, you can check that out up here. So what I realized when I got sober is that I don't really spend my money on things. At least I don't spend my money on things I don't need. I don't buy anything so that people will like me or think I'm cool or successful, but we'll get into that later. The money that I don't spend, I'll save it, I'll invest it. Once in a while, I'll buy something for like this, like camera gear or something to help me pursue a creative venture or make my workflow easier or better, or more efficient. Felt a raindrop. Might get wet today. Got a few more raindrops coming in. Who else is kicking it to this tune? This is banging. Let's go. There's an endless amount of stuff you can spend your money on these days. You can literally lay in your bed and drain your bank account. Isn't that a crazy thought? I'm a huge believer in technology, but you have to be super disciplined these days. The amount of marketing that's thrown at you on a daily basis can have you wondering where all your money went. But on the other side of it, I can order something and have it show up like the next day. That's ridiculous if you actually take a step back and think about it. Since this is the case, it's only going to get easier to spend money from here on out. So you have to have a really good relationship with your money and money in general. I used to spend my money paycheck to paycheck, like it would just fly out of my account. I had a horrible relationship with money. I'm a lot more careful with my money now. I have a way better relationship with it. And I guess the best way to put it is that I take time before I purchase something to think about it. I make sure that what I'm purchasing is going to fulfill the reason that I'm purchasing it. I have a conversation, I have a dialogue with myself before the purchase to set things straight. It's so nice out, and I think the rain's holding off. Let's keep it moving. Someone lost their keys. I never know what to do in a situation like that. Like, I guess the best thing to do is just leave them on the ground where they lost them. I don't know. If you got a better idea, drop it in the comments. Let me know. I'm just like, I've got my one wheel and I'm just walking up here. Why am I walking? What is wrong with me? Yo, check this out. That's picture worthy. Now this is a real problem in our society. People are buying things so that other people will like them or see them as successful, and it's happening all the time. The reasoning behind this is that... Dog. I'm trying to talk here, dog. The reasoning behind this is that people care about other people's opinions of themselves. and it's such an easy trap to fall into. So if all I have to do is buy a new car so that you'll see me as successful, or that I'm doing good in life, well, it can be pretty tempting to do that. You can even do that if you don't have the money. They've made it so easy to spend money nowadays that you can spend money that you don't even have. So people are going into debt trying to impress other people. And here's the kicker. They're trying to impress people that aren't even really a part of their lives. Just take that in for a second. That's fucking ridiculous. And all of this is going to trap them in a job, and sometimes a job they don't even like, because they've got these crazy bills that they have to pay, and it's going to make them super, super unhappy. Next time someone in your life buys a car or a house or some fancy jewelry or something like that, well, you might just be questioning their motivation. Just saying. This topic fascinates me. This topic fascinates me? This topic fascinates me. I'm fascinated with this topic. This place is heated. Awesome. Alright guys, thanks for coming on another awesome adventure with me. That one was so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, go down there, hit that like button, be something positive you did today. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe as well so you know the second I put out another video. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm literally just riding in circles up here because it's so much fun.